welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be unboxing the April month's Glamego box which I recently received. And yeah, if you would want to know what all I have in this month's box and also how I feel about the entire box or the collection, then all you have to do is continue watching this video. And before we go ahead, I think it will be really nice if you could subscribe to my channel and stick around. And also, if you don't want to miss out any of the future videos, all you have to do is click on the notification bell icon. So yeah, that's for now. Let's get started with the unboxing. So this is how the box actually looks, which is very similar to the March month's box. Okay, so before I go ahead and show you the products in here, I wanted to talk a few things about the Glamego box and my experience with the box. What I did when I think in the month of January, I had subscribed to them for 6 months together. Like, you have that option to, subscribe to their box for 3 months, 6 months and 12 months, which I had chosen 6 months option, and I've done that. But what happened is I did not receive the February month's box during the month of February, and what I did is I had to mail them and ask them that I haven't received the box, and after which is then they had sent me the box during the month of March, which is not really nice. I wouldn't I expect this sort of a customer service from any brand for that matter. I accept they have quite a few or how huge followers going on, but how is it even possible to forget your subscriber? So the first product in this month's Glamego box is obviously the Starstruck by Sunny Leone lipstick, which is in the shade Caramello 07. So this is the shade that I got, but unfortunately this wasn't the shade that I actually chose. So this is a brownish nude, if you can see. Anyways, so this one retails for 799 rupees, and I think you get 4.2 grams of the lipstick. I'll leave a photograph of this on my Instagram handle. If you are not following me there, I think you definitely should. So that's the first product, and the second product is by CAL Los Angeles, and you get to select the eyeshadow also, which is nice, but I had received the color that I had chosen. So this is a wow. I think this is a shimmer blue shadow. This is how, okay, this is so vibrant, but one thing that okay, can you see the difference? This is so much glitter, this has less glitter, just because when I swiped it off, the glitters on top came off, and underneath there is no glitter going on. So if you can see with this one and this one, there is a huge difference. I don't know what should I say with this one. And then we have the other two products from this month's box are sample size products. The third one is the Hip Hop Painless Nose Strip. So here you get single strip, if I'm not, yeah, you get only one strip for an instant glow. It removes your blackheads, whiteheads, oil and dirt from your nose. So here is the ways how you have to use this. I'll leave a quick video on my Instagram. If you are interested, you can go ahead and watch that and also follow me there, okay? And the last product for this month is the Japanese Azuki Bean face wash from Global Beauty Secrets. I think we've received products from the same brand in the last 2 months. If I'm not wrong, we've got a moisturizer, we've got a face mask, which I did not use. I was like I should definitely try them out. So here you have the face wash included. So yeah, this has Azuki Bean, which I have no clue about. So yeah, that's the last product for this month, which is really not nice. I think they should definitely enhance their customer service. And not only this, I've had not very happy experiences in the past as well, which I thought I should definitely put it out. And let me know if you have faced any of these customer service issue with Glamego. Let's just put it out so that the brand actually hears and makes any changes, that will be really nice if they could do it. So now, yeah, I just wanted to tell you, and also know if you also undergo these sort of issues with customer service from the brand. And also we have a surprise gift from a top rated skin or makeup product of Glamego, which is the Monsub Gold Eye Mask. I've never tried a eye mask, so this is really exciting me. So I'm gonna try this out and see how this actually works on my eyes. So those were all the products that we have in this month's box. To be honest, I did not get the shade that I chose for the lipstick, which is not a good thing. And with the eyeshadow, I think the eyeshadow has a problem with the shimmer or the glitter on top of it, and the quality, I wouldn't say this is pigmented, but I would not expect this to have this sort of a thing, which is also quite disheartening. And I think the products are all nice. I think they could have really worked on the customer service, maybe. That's what I feel at the end of unboxing all of this. That's what is going on my mind. Other than that, okay box for this month. Let me know if you have also got Glamego box for the month of April, and let me know how you feel about the box. And yeah, I'll see you guys with another video. Till then, take care. Bye.